this video, we will go over YoPrint's global search feature. You can use our global search to search across everything, including customers, sales orders, quotes, jobs, shipments, purchase orders, vendors, etc. Click on the search icon to bring up the search dialog and start typing. Once the search completes, we will show the search results in a small preview. You can click on each result to check out the preview. If you double-click on the result, you'll get a dialog box with more information, or you can click on Go to Page. You can also narrow down your search by selecting the scope. For example, you want to look for a specific sales order. We brought our search experience to the next level with keyboard shortcuts. Pressing Shift twice brings up the search bar or closes it. You can use the up and down arrow keys to navigate between results, and clicking on Enter selects the result. You can find anything in YoPrint with just a few clicks. If you have any questions, check out our knowledge base at support.yoprint.com or email our support team at support@yoprint.com.